HSPA Plus dual-core turnkey demo phone. What I'm going to show today is our GPS.
On which chipset it is running?
This is on our BCM21663. We also call it our Hawaii chipset.
Okay.
So we're going to run a GPS test program. So it's going to launch the application. It's going to start checking for satellites. So we're indoors now, but you can see we found 2 satellites in view, 3. And now I'm going to start walking more towards the window, actually up to 5 of them that we're seeing with a reasonable amount of signal strength. But we'll walk closer to the outside. We'll see the number of satellites grow, and we'll also see the signal strength increase as we're walking towards the outside.
Okay. Okay.
So now we can see we're now outdoors. We can see quite a few different. So actually we're tracking over 20 satellites in view, 10 of which we're using to make our calculations. See the accuracy which we're able to do. If we look at the constellation, those which you see as a triangle are GLONASS-based satellites. Those that are a circle are the US-based satellites. And you can see it took us 14 seconds to get our first fix.
GPS
time.
lock, okay.
Yeah, so it's actually quite fast. The fact that we're looking at twice as many satellites, running some algorithms in the background to improve our performance, gives one of the very best GPS in a handset.
Okay, especially when we talk about the disturbances, for example, you are on a road and there are a lot of buildings around. So how does that actually affect the overall signals?
That's a very good question. So since we're looking at both the GPS constellation and the GLONASS constellation, we have twice as many satellites for us to pick from. So of course there's a probability at any point in time something might be blocked by a building or some high object nearby. But by the fact that we track twice the number of satellites as most in an entry segment device, our performance should be much better because statistically we're seeing more satellites. Even if there's some blockage nearby, we still are looking at twice the number of satellites as a typical entry segment product would do.
Okay. Can you also comment about the chipset which you have and the GPS capability of the latest device which is going to come in India, the Xolo Q1000B?
Good question. So actually that same chip that they're using for the GPS is also in this dual-core phone. So this is our entry low-cost dual-core.
So this one have the same chipset?
Has the exact same GPS chip on board and the same capabilities.
Okay.
So for their device, which is a quad-core, you should also see very good performance from the GPS device.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
Yep.